Hi and welcome to Carlisle Audi. My name's Taylor and today I'm going to be walking you around this used Jaguar F-PACE R-Sport that we do have in stock. This car has had two previous owners and is in excellent condition. It does come finished in silver and does come fitted with the xenon headlights. It does have the lovely 19-inch 5 split spoke style alloy wheels which look amazing against this model. Jaguar and R-Sport badging on the side, and the electrically folding door mirrors, which do fold in when the vehicle is locked, ensuring that they don't get damaged when parking in any tighter spaces. The privacy glass really stands out against the silver paint finish and does give the car an overall sportier look. It does come with the power operated tailgate, which does open up by just pressing the button on the key fob. As you can see, it opens up to a really nice spacious boot, so if a spacious car is what you're looking for, this could be the perfect match. It does have the small side compartments for storing any smaller items as well, alongside the button at the top, which does allow the boot to automatically close for you, making it super easy to use. It does come fitted with both the front and rear parking sensors and the reversing camera, making squeezing into any spaces a lot easier, especially when manoeuvring around. This F-PACE does come with a 2-litre diesel engine and is an all-wheel drive, so it does handle different driving conditions really well. Inside you do have the full leather interior seats, which are super comfortable for your passengers, as they do come with the outer heated rear seats, which are perfect for those colder journeys. This car does come with the additional Meridian sound system, which is a great quality sound system that you and your passengers can enjoy. Inside you do have the leather steering wheel alongside the same full leather upholstery in the front, making all seats super comfortable. It does come with the electrically adjustable function, making them super easy to adjust when out and about. Moving back to the front, you do have your driver's display ahead there, and you do also have all of the controls on the steering wheel. You have your menu controls, and then you do also have the button for the heated steering wheel, which is great for those colder mornings, and you do have more R-Sport badging on the bottom there as well. Moving over to the centre console is the full touchscreen in the centre, where you do have access to a whole range of different settings. You do have your navigation system with the map which can be moved around, alongside all of your media settings where you do have your DAB digital radio channels. You do also have your telephone settings where you can connect your mobile phone to use through the Bluetooth that is with this car, and this does allow you to do different things such as use your phone on hands-free. You do have your heated seats on there as well, where you can set the temperature for both you and your passenger. And you do also have your menu screen with the reversing camera on there. You do have your front and rear parking sensor button and one to bring up the rear view camera on screen. This can also be done automatically by shifting the car into the reverse gear. Below is the 2-zone climate control with the separate controls for you and your passenger to set the temperature accordingly. And you do also have the automatic gearbox for this car, along with some other controls below that as well. You do also have more Jaguar badging on the front alongside the leather on the dash. Not forgetting the additional panoramic glass sunroof, which does look absolutely fantastic. You do have the controls which do allow you to close and open the blind, so you can set it to your preference. If you'd like any more information on this Jaguar F-PACE R-Sport, give us a call on 01228 371 516 and someone from our team will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.